Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If your iPhone's ear-pierce speaker is not working so you can't hear during calls, today we are here with some troubleshooting steps to try. First, check volume and mute settings. During a call, use the volume buttons to ensure the call volume is set to the highest level. Make sure the silent or ring switch on the side of your iPhone is not set to the silent. Secondly, clean the ear speaker. Dust and debris can block the earpiece, causing muffled sound or no sound at all. Use a soft bristle brush or a dry-clean toothbrush to gently clean the speaker grill. Avoid using liquids or sharp tools. Third, disable Bluetooth connections. If your iPhone is connected to Bluetooth devices like headphones or speakers, audio may be routing there. So simply go to the settings, Bluetooth, and toggle the Bluetooth off. If none of these work, then simply restart your iPhone. Power off your iPhone, wait a few seconds and turn it back on, because sometimes a simple restart can resolve many audio issues. If the earpiece still does not work, the issues may be hardware related. You might need a repair, or especially if the device has been exposed to moisture or physical damage, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store or authorized service provider. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.